binigay po sa Kongreso ang diskresyon. Ano ang compelling reason? So, ibig sabihin po, yung kasing binigay na dahilan ng Kongreso dati na reason ay hindi compelling. Reason siya, but not compelling. So, meaning to say, it will now depend sa Congress kung ano ang compelling reason. If crisis is the compelling reason, because it was even declared by the President at meron tayong national emergency crisis, sinuportahan ng Kongreso, indeed may crisis, then that is the determination of Congress, Mr. Chair, na that is a compelling reason. Kami po sa COMELEC, we will accept that as a compelling reason because sabi niyo po yun ng Kongreso, wala naman po kaming means to determine what is the compelling reason. Limited lang kami dun sa pagkukonduct ng election, yung kung ano yung reason namin. Pero what is more compelling, which is a larger scale, it will now depend on the determination, definition, and discretion of the Honorable Congress of the Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pero pwedeng magamit namin yung narrative ninyo kanina.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you.
Pwede niyo pong magamit
That's it.
po yung narrative na yun.
Mr. Chair, na pwede pa rin magamit natin. Thank you. Thank you,
Wala
Mr. Chair.
siyang ikot kasi baka maano siya ng Supreme Court.